Welcome to Wisdom Matrix 1111. Today we're diving into Dr. Bruce Lipton's magnificent and transformative book, The Biology of Belief. Dr. Lipton is a renowned cell biologist and pioneer in bridging the gap between science and spirituality. Through his research, he has challenged conventional wisdom about genetics, introducing us to a revolutionary understanding of how our thoughts, beliefs, and environment influence our biology at a cellular level. Dr. Lipton's journey began in the world of traditional science, where he conducted cutting-edge research on cell membranes. But it was his discovery of how cells respond to their environment, and not just their genetic code, that led him to an epiphany. His findings have profound implications. You are not a victim of your genes. Instead, your mind holds the power to rewrite your biological destiny. In this episode, we'll explore the key insights and lessons from the biology of belief, chapter by chapter. From the intelligence of cells to the power of belief, this book offers a fascinating blend of science, mindfulness, and empowerment that will leave you inspired to take charge of your health and your life. So let's dive in. The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton, summarized and presented by Wisdom Matrix 1111. Chapter 1. Lessons from the Petri Dish, in praise of smart cells and smart students. Dr. Bruce Lipton opens The Biology of Belief with a fascinating journey into the microscopic world of cells. He recounts his experiences working with cells in a petri dish, describing them as intelligent entities capable of adapting to their surroundings. These cells behaved like smart students, observing, learning, and responding to changes in their environment. This groundbreaking realization overturned the long-held belief that genes are the sole dictators of cellular behavior. Instead, Lipton discovered that the environment a cell resides in plays the dominant role in its actions and development. Beyond their individual intelligence, Lipton highlights a profound truth. Cells are not solitary competitors fighting for resources. Instead, they collaborate in harmony, forming intricate networks of communication and cooperation. This teamwork is the foundation for multi-celled organisms, like us, allowing them to evolve and thrive in complex and ever-changing environments. For instance, the trillions of cells in your body work together seamlessly to keep you alive, each playing its unique role. This concept extends to human societies. Just as individual cells cooperate within a larger organism, humans, too, flourish when we work together. This insight offers a profound message about unity and collaboration, not just within our bodies, but in our lives and communities. The chapter sets the stage for Lipton's core message. Your body's environment, both internal and external, shapes your health and destiny. By understanding how cells adapt and thrive, we begin to see how our thoughts and beliefs are key components of our environment that shape our lives at the most fundamental level. Chapter 2. It's the environment, stupid. In this chapter, Dr. Lipton dives deeper into the revolutionary field of epigenetics, which challenges the traditional notion of genetic determinism, the idea that your DNA is your destiny. Instead of seeing genes as fixed and unchangeable, epigenetics shows that your environment holds the reins of control. Signals from the environment, ranging from the food you eat to the thoughts you think, determine which genes are activated and how they function. Lipton explains this using the analogy of a blueprint. Your genes are the plans, but it's the builder, environmental signals, that decides how to use those plans. This means your genetic expression, the way your genes manifest in your body, is constantly influenced by factors such as nutrition, stress levels, emotional states, and even your beliefs. What's even more astonishing is that these modifications can be passed down to future generations. For example, a parent's experience of chronic stress or a nutrient-rich diet can lead to changes in their gene expression that their children inherit. This ability of the environment to alter genetic expression offers both hope and responsibility. By consciously creating a nurturing internal and external environment, you can improve your health and even positively impact your future generations. Epigenetics empowers us to realize that we are not passive victims of our genetic makeup, but active participants in shaping our biology. Lipton also emphasizes how the environment you create in your mind, your thoughts and emotions, can directly affect your body's cellular processes. Positive beliefs and a peaceful mental state generate signals that promote healing and growth, while negative beliefs can trigger stress and hinder your body's natural functions. The power to influence your biology is in your hands. By consciously managing your environment, both physical and mental, you unlock your potential for greater health and, in turn, a more energized, vibrant life. Chapter 3: The Magical Membrane. Dr. Bruce Lipton introduces an often overlooked yet vital player in cellular biology, the cell membrane. Traditionally, scientists believed the nucleus was the brain of the cell because it houses the DNA. But Lipton challenges this idea, showing that the true mastermind is the cell membrane. The membrane acts as a sophisticated gatekeeper, constantly assessing and responding to the environment. It decides what information, nutrients, and signals can enter the cell and what should be kept out. This dynamic role places the membrane at the forefront of cellular intelligence. It's not just a passive barrier, it's a highly active processor of environmental data. Modern research backs this up, revealing that the cell membrane's effector proteins are the key players in controlling how genes are read. These proteins act as messengers, transmitting environmental signals to the genes and determining how they respond. The significance? Your genetic destiny isn't locked in your DNA. Instead, it's guided by external influences communicated through the membrane. This means the environment, including your thoughts, beliefs, and emotional states, has a direct line to your cell's genetic expression. When you nourish your body and mind with positive energy, healthy food, uplifting thoughts, and supportive relationships, you're essentially providing your cells with the best instructions for optimal function. The magical nature of the membrane isn't just about biology. It's a metaphor for life. Just as the cell membrane filters what enters the cell, you have the power to filter the influences you allow into your life. By creating boundaries and embracing what uplifts you, you align yourself with growth and vitality. Chapter 4: The New Physics, Planting Both Feet Firmly on Thin Air. In this chapter, Dr. Lipton shifts from cellular biology to quantum physics, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. He explores the invisible forces that govern reality and explains how the physical world isn't as solid as it seems. At the core of his argument is this: matter is made of energy, and everything, including your body, is a vibrating field of energy. This perspective invites a radical shift in understanding. If we're primarily energy, then our reality is in a constant state of flux. The nature of reality is change, a dynamic dance of energy waves interacting and transforming. These energy waves are vital because they influence us at the atomic level. Your vibrational frequency, determined by your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, has the power to change not just your mood, but your biology. High vibrational states, such as love and gratitude, create coherence within your energy field, promoting harmony and healing. Conversely, low vibrations, like fear or anger, can lead to discord and dis-ease in the body. Lipton emphasizes that quantum physics also aligns with ancient wisdom. Spiritual teachings have long suggested that the mind shapes reality, and now science is catching up. By aligning your energy with positive intentions and high-frequency emotions, you consciously influence your physical world. View reality as a web of interconnected possibilities. When you embrace this perspective, you open yourself to limitless potential for growth, transformation, and healing. In essence, your mind and body are partners in creating a reality that reflects your highest aspirations. Chapter 5: Biology and Belief. Dr. Bruce Lipton takes a deep dive into the connection between the mind and body, revealing how your beliefs hold incredible power over your biology. He challenges the conventional idea that our genes operate independently of our thoughts and feelings. Instead, he shows that your beliefs can profoundly influence how your body functions. A pivotal aspect of this chapter is the role of emotions. Lipton explains that emotions are the language of your subconscious mind, directly influencing your cells in ways we're only beginning to grasp. Every thought or feeling sends biochemical signals throughout your body, communicating with your cells and shaping their behavior. The placebo effect is a powerful example of this mind-body connection. When patients believe they are receiving effective treatment, their bodies often respond as though the treatment is real, even if it's a sugar pill. This isn't a fluke. It's evidence of the body's ability to heal itself when guided by the power of belief. Lipton also discusses the nocebo effect, the opposite of the placebo effect, where negative beliefs or fears can create harmful outcomes. This highlights the immense responsibility you have in shaping your internal dialogue and mental environment. By fostering positive beliefs, you can essentially reprogram your body for health and vitality. The key takeaway here is that your mind is not a bystander in the healing process. It's an active participant. When you align your beliefs with positivity and possibility, you unlock the incredible potential for transformation and healing. Chapter 6: Growth and Protection. Dr. Lipton explores the dual modes in which your body operates: growth and protection. These two states dictate how your cells respond to the environment, and they're mutually exclusive. Your body can't focus on both at the same time. When you're in a state of love, safety, and relaxation, your cells are in growth mode. This is when they repair, regenerate, and thrive. On the other hand, when you're stressed, afraid, or feeling threatened, your cells shift into protection mode. In this state, resources are diverted from growth processes to deal with perceived danger. While this response is essential for survival in short bursts, chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of protection, which can lead to cellular breakdown and disease. Fortunately, Lipton highlights practical ways to limit stress and fear, which harms cellular health, and to cultivate love, which greatly enhances it. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, gratitude, and fostering supportive relationships can shift your body out of protection mode and into growth mode. By intentionally choosing love over fear, you create an internal environment where your cells can flourish. This isn't just about emotions, it's about biology. Love and relaxation promote hormonal balance, improve immune function, and support cellular regeneration. Fear and stress, on the other hand, disrupt these processes and leave you vulnerable to illness. In the end, mastery of your internal environment is in your hands. By wisely managing your thoughts, emotions, and reactions to the world around you, you guide your body toward health and longevity. Chapter 7. Conscious Parenting: Parents as Genetic Engineers. In this final chapter, Dr. Bruce Lipton explores the profound impact parents have on shaping their children, not just through genetics, but through environment, behavior, and beliefs. He challenges the traditional view that parenting is merely a matter of nature versus nurture, showing instead that parents are active participants in their child's development at every level. Lipton introduces the idea that you are a genetic engineer for the next generation. This doesn't mean manipulating DNA in a lab, but rather influencing how your child's genes express themselves through the environment you create. Amazingly, this influence begins even before birth. The mother's emotions, nutrition, and mental state during pregnancy communicate directly with the developing baby, shaping their biology and setting the foundation for their future health and resilience. But the role of parenting doesn't stop at birth. Lipton emphasizes the incredible power parents have to teach and model personal responsibility. Children absorb much more than words. They pick up on emotional cues, belief systems, and behavioral patterns. By embodying positivity, love, and empowerment, you set the stage for your child to internalize these qualities as their own. Lipton also highlights the importance of the early years of life, when a child's subconscious mind is most impressionable. During this time, they are essentially in a state of hypnosis, absorbing everything around them. Parents can use this window to nurture confidence, curiosity, and emotional stability by providing a supportive and encouraging environment. Ultimately, as a parent, you hold the key to influencing not just the well-being of your child, but the future of humanity. By consciously raising children to value love, kindness, and personal growth, you're contributing to a ripple effect that can change the world. This isn't just about biology. It's about creating a legacy of empowerment and possibility for generations to come. So there you have it, a comprehensive summary of The Biology of Belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton, from the incredible intelligence of your cells to the profound influence of your thoughts, emotions, and environment. This book reminds us of the immense power we hold to shape our lives, and even the lives of future generations. Remember, you are not a victim of your biology. You are its architect. By embracing positive beliefs, nurturing love over fear, and consciously creating an environment of growth, you unlock your body's true potential for healing, vitality, and transformation. This isn't just science. It's a blueprint for living a more empowered, joyful, and meaningful life. As you move forward, remember the key lessons. Your thoughts matter, your emotions matter, and your choices matter. Every moment is an opportunity to align with your highest potential. If you found this content inspiring and insightful, please take a moment to like the video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences, and share it with someone who might benefit from these powerful insights. Thank you for tuning in to Wisdom Matrix 1111, liking the video, sharing, and subscribing. Keep exploring the profound connection between your mind and body, and never stop believing in your inner healing power. Until next time, peace.